Hi everyone and welcome to my place. I want to show you how to do a really lovely rustic and formal type of arrangement with either fresh or artificial magnolias. I really love magnolias, and the thing is that when you pick them, they don't last for very long. They last all right if you're just putting them into water, but if you want to design with them, they don't really last very long. So what I do is I cheat the process and I use artificials, and then I put a few fresh into it. So what I've got here is a galvanized iron bucket, and to just add a little bit more rusticness to it, that's the word I'm looking for, I've just tied a little bit of rope around the outside of the edge of my container. I've also gone outside and I've picked some branches off my plum tree, and into the base here I've put, I'll just turn that over like this, into the base here I have put some wet foam. The reason I've used the wet foam is because I want this arrangement to continue just living and growing and producing and bringing it inside and into the warmth of my house. What will happen is, and you can see just from a couple of days when I picked this, onto the branches here I've got little bits of new growth that are coming, and my fingers are crossed, and I know it will happen because I've done it before. I use the branches just as the buds are starting to burst or just starting to swell up, and then bring them inside, and then over time all those little buds will open up, so you've got this arrangement that continues to just give all sorts of visual beautifulness. Right, I haven't got any pussy willow out at the moment, but I have got this artificial pussy willow, which I'm just going to put down in amongst the branches. You could cover the whole the whole base of your container, inside of your container, with just the bare branches, and leave it as it is, and just put all of these in as bare branches, and they will open up. But for today I just thought I would just sneak the process. So I've just got I've only got 4 bits of this, but 4 bits of this will be fine for now. And I'm just going to, because I've only got a few of them, I always feel that it's easier to, instead of having them all scattered around, just to group them all together at this stage. Now the next thing I've got are these lovely magnolia leaves, and I'm just going to push one down into there, and I love these leaves. They last such a long time, and if you're looking for leaves that you might like to glycerine to last all year, these are perfect. So I'm just going to put a few of those in and over to that side there, and they also act the beautiful base, and they're so shiny and they give lovely texture and a little bit, as I said, shine and sheen to and luster to an arrangement that sort of like lifts it. Okay, I've got this one lovely branch of magnolia. I'm waiting on mine to come out, so this is just going to have to do for now. So I'm just going to bring that up and in through to there, and push that right down into, I'm working back to front, so I hope this is looking all right. Take that down and into the container. Then I've got a couple of these other pieces of magnolia, which I'm going to do exactly the same to. Just pushing those in. Oh, be very careful. Be very careful as I push these into here. Just have one right down into there. And as I said, it's an informal rustic type of arrangement, so it's just placed as if naturally occurring or growing. And I'll just bring that one there, and I'll just bring that over to there, so that just takes, look at that, that's perfect. Now I need to have a look at what I've done now. Oh yes, that's great. And then I'm just going to fill, and I'll just show you this in a minute, fill around the front of my design, taking rid of all those excess leaves. And there we have the base of a really lovely rustic, informal design, and then when my magnolias come, I can just actually place those in and amongst the arrangement, or if I found some lilies, or there might be some other little field flowers that are coming into your garden, that they could be placed into there as well. Easy designing. Once you've got the base in, the world is your oyster. I hope you've enjoyed that. I've enjoyed sharing it with you. I'll see you again another day.